Hi, Lynx. That's my bookshelf. And my castle son. Hi, Lynx. Say hi naman. Parang hirap na hirap ka dyan. Ayos. Bigat. This is mine. Uy, wait lang. Bakit? Di ka ba iiwan? Ito ka lang. Wait lang. Psst. Wow. Psst. Hi, Lynx. Lynx. Me? Lynx? No, wait. That's your new home. Lynx! This is new home. Lynx. Comfy shoes. Ayun yung butas sa ilalim. Hi, Lynx. Tingin sa taas. You know, see, it's a hole. It's a freaking hole. Ugh. Lynx. Under. No, Lynx. This taas. Lynx, taas. See? Look at that. Oh, God. Ugh. Parang galing na rin. Magaling na. Tuyo na eh. Pero nung kailan? Nakatakot. Lynx. Gusto niya dyan. Lynx?